channel. So today's video is going to be my Ipsy unbagging. We're also going to compare it with the new Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So the regular Ipsy bag, you get 5 products. They range from full sizes, sample sizes, deluxe sizes, and I really enjoy the Ipsy bag. This is $10 a month. And this is my newest profile. I've had this one less than a year. I was eligible to upgrade on my original account, so I ended up doing that. And this is the new Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's $25 a month, but you're getting 5 full-size products every single month, and you get a bag once every 3 months, I believe. I'm gonna get into my Ipsy bag first. So this is for October 2018, and since October is for Halloween, this is the bag for the month, and it seems very festive for Halloween. It is a nice quality bag, and it has a little mask on it, like a masquerade mask, and it's textured. The inside is black. You always get a card in the bag, and the theme says it's Ipsy After Dark. Who said nights were for sleep? I say nights are for sleep. And then on the other side, it just gives you some information. The first product is from the brand Verb. It's a hydrating hair mask. It says after washing with Verb shampoo or any shampoo, work formula through damp hair. Allow mask to sit on hair for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse, use once a week or as needed. The next thing is something that I always love getting, and this is an eyeshadow brush. It is a really cute brush. I think this is gonna look really nice in my little cup with all my brushes. And it looks like it's just like a shadow brush. I love the detail on the handle. I also received an eyeshadow. This is from Naked Cosmetics. This is a loose pigment, and it's in the shade Rainforest. Really be careful. There's no sticker protection from the actual eyeshadow, so if you open it up quickly, it's gonna get all over the place. So I'm gonna just try to swatch some of this without spilling it everywhere. This is what the shade looks like. It's really pretty. It's very shimmery, very glittery. The next thing is from a brand that I really do enjoy, and it's Murad. This is the Essential C Cleanser. I've been really into cleansers lately, especially citrusy scented ones, and this one has vitamin C in it. This is gonna be really good for brightening the skin, fading any kind of dark spots that you have, and it's a really good size. And then last but not least is actually a product that I have the full size of, but in a different shade. I was really excited to see this. This is from Tarte. It's the Shape Tape Concealer, and it's a little itty bitty mini, and that is what it looks like. Now this one is in the shade medium, and normally on the full size, this applicator is like much bigger because it's like a doe foot. It's just a doe foot applicator, and on the full size, it's much bigger. It's like 3 times the size of this, but this seems like this is gonna match me really well, and I was really excited to see this. Now we're gonna get into the Glam Bag Plus. So when you receive it, it comes just like this in the box, and when you open it up, it will say Glam Bag Plus on it, and on the inside cover, it'll say, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And it comes packed up just like this with foam on the top. And it'll give you a card, but it gives you like a more in-depth card, and this definitely puts the products on it. I would expect that with the Glam Bag Plus to have all the products, and it does. So the first product that I'm gonna pull out is a typical brand and a typical thing we get all the time. This is from Ico London. It is the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. Now I really do like this a lot. This is one of the first liquid liners that I've actually ever used. So the next product I was actually really excited about, it's from Ciate London. It is the Dewy Spritz Luminous Prime and Set Spray. It basically has little shimmery flakes in here, and it's supposed to give you like a dewy look. But with these kinds of sprays, what I like to do is just use it as like a refresher throughout the day, or if I'm not wearing any makeup, I'll sometimes just spray these on, and it gives my skin like a glowy look. I haven't tried it yet, but I know that it's really pretty in the bottle. I don't know if you can see that, but you have to shake it up so that all the particles mix in, but it's really, really pretty. I'm really excited to try this. I'm gonna see how it looks on the skin. The next product is from, I don't know if it's called Luxme or LXMI, but it's the Pure Nilotica Melt. Now, I'm a little unsure about this product. The reason being is because I know they had this or a mask, a Purlisse mask, which I've used before, and I felt like the mask would have been better for my profile because I do have oily skin. I have pores and I have acne prone skin. This is a balm to oil melt, so this could be used as either a moisturizer or like an overnight mask. This is for dry skin. It says it has one ingredient. It's 100% organic miracle balm that puts coconut oil and all your other multitasking go-tos to shame. It's made with just the Nilotica fruit butter. It's a superfood harvested from 20-year-old trees at the Nile River. This skin fix can be used anywhere for just about anything. We love to use it to quench dry hands and feet, tapping it onto our lips and smoothing it over elbows, knees, and extra dry spots. The texture starts out rich and buttery, but then it quickly melts right into your skin. The packaging is really, really pretty. I like that it says it is vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's natural, and it says beauty for humanity, and it's USDA organic. Okay, so the next thing is from Morphe, and it's a high impact highlighter. It's in the shade Extra, the daringly creamy zero gravity highlighter for explosive prismatic effects. This is what the packaging looks like and where it has the name of it on the back. It comes with a really nice size mirror on here. And then this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty highlighter. I really like that it's more on the golden side. I think that works really good with my skin tone, and it's not too dramatic. It's not glittery at all, which I hate glittery highlighters. It's just a really nice glow. And the next thing is from one of my favorite brands. It's from Tarte. This is the Man Eater mascara. I actually have never tried this mascara before. I've tried a few Tarte mascaras, but not many. And the first thing is the packaging. I absolutely love Tarte's packaging. This one gives a little bit of like leopard print on it. It's really nice and gold. It's pretty and flashy, and it goes with the name of it, Maneater. And now the last product in here is from Smashbox. It's the Cover Shot Eye Palette in Bold Glitter. It's a really nice travel palette. I think that it's really pretty. I don't have any kind of glitter palettes at all, so this is gonna be really nice for my collection. On the back, it gives you the name of the shades. So these are all the shades in the palette. I think that they're really pretty. They're definitely glittery. Some are more pigmented than others. So these are just a couple of the shades, and as you can see, they're really, really glittery, but I think that these are really pretty. They're not as pigmented as I thought that they were gonna be, but I think that's a good thing because I didn't want something too crazy anyway, but I'm sure you can really build that up because if you put a little bit of MAC Fix Plus on it or wet it just a little bit, maybe it would be a little bit more pigmented. Then the only other thing in here is the bag itself, which I really, really love. I have eyeshadow all over my hand, but it's all suede, and then it has a nice little pocket on the front. So that's it for my Glam Bag Plus and my Ipsy bag. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you received the Glam Bag Plus, and even if you received regular Ipsy, let me know what you think about the products this month. But until my next video, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.